Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Garu from Pucca, so let's get started. To draw this cute ninja, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a very big circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another one. So it's kind of wide apart, so say about right here. Draw another big circle. So about something like that, and then let's come inside. We're going to draw another circle right in the center. And let's give it a little highlight, a little circle right here, and then shade it all in. Same thing over here, right in the center, draw another circle. Okay, so now we have his huge eyes in. Let's draw the brow. So he's a very serious ninja, right? So let's come to where his eyes are. Say about right here, and I'm just going to start a slant right over his eye. Now we're just going to pop it out a tiny bit, and I'm going to end it about where the edge of his eye is. It doesn't really matter because this part is going to be black anyways for the rest of his head. So something like that. Just put in an angle, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And I'm just going to drag a point across. So it just makes it easier for me to figure out the angle. So about right here with the edge of the eye, and I'll just connect it. So it's just a little bit easier way to figure out the angle a little bit easier. Okay, so now we have that in. I'm going to come in here and thicken this up. Very thick brows. So I'm just following my angle. Definitely turn your paper if you need to, and I'll shade that in. So same thing over here. Okay, I got his brows in finally. Now his mouth. So his mouth is basically just a line because he's very serious, like I said. So right in here, about in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line right in the center. And I'll come in here and thicken it up. Okay, so then now let's draw his face. So I'm going to come to where his eyes are, so in this area, and I'll just come about right here where his eye is, and really close to his eye, just start to draw this curve for his face. So it's like a wide bottom of a U. And I'm going to connect it, the bottom a little bit flatter right under his mouth, not too low. So about right there. There. Okay, so then now let's finish the top. So I'm just going to go up. It's a little bit easier for my hand to come down, so I'm going to stay about right here. And connect at the top and come down. From there, I'm going to start to draw the top. So find the center of your head. So say about this much, and I'll just give myself a point. So about that much, and I'm going to start to draw a curve. It comes all the way around, following the head, and it's going to get thinner as we come down here. It's going to taper in, and same thing over here. There. Okay, now he's all wrapped up, right? Now for his pigtails. So right here, about in this area, I'm just going to draw an angle line. And another one. Kind of looks like two explosions actually to me out of his head. So it's connected, and then we're going to draw a bunch of zigzags here. So 1, 2. So it's kind of in this shape. It's pretty symmetrical. So it's just these 2 points right in the center. And then there's a little band right here. So just come in here with 2 angle lines. And same exact thing on the other side. Oops. So drag a point across. Oh, approximately that much. Okay, so let's go out. Same thing. And down, and then connect. So once again, let's draw the zigzag. And this is straight, so up. And connect. And then once again, the little band right here. Okay, so we're pretty much done with his head. Now his body. So his body is kind of weird. It's this angle, but it's all black. So let's say about right here. It's good, easier to adjust because it's all black. I'm going to come out with an angle. So same thing over here. So now that we have that in, we're going to come in with another angle. So this is kind of like his sleeve area. So same thing over here. So to me, it looks like kind of as if you're imagining drawing a square, I guess it would be, at an angle. So right there, now we're at the same level. Just imagine this coming down. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. So just imagine this coming down about right there. And then from there, I'm going to come out with a straight line. So we're going to start his legs. And right here, slight angle. Just a slight angle. And then connect at the bottom of a curve. There. Okay, so hopefully that was that tip right here, just to imagine it coming down, helped. So then let's come over here and we're going to draw his hands. And his hands is just a circle. So we're just going to attach it right here. Just draw a circle. So same thing here. Oops. And circle all the way back. And so then right in the center, there's a heart. So I'm going to give myself a point, come straight down, give myself another point. And using those 2 points, I'm just going to curve in. There. And that is pretty much it for Garu, but I'm going to come in here and shade this all in so you can see it a little bit better. And hopefully you guys love this Garu drawing here as much as my Pucca. Since I drew her and you guys loved her so much, I had to draw Garu, right? So they're all done. I hope you love how Garu turned out and you love him as much as my drawing of Pucca. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I was able to make this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.